This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Welcome to QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Payments lets you accept all sorts of payments from your customers, including cards, Apple Pay, or bank payments. You can add online payment options to an invoice or send customers a payment link for simple payment requests. QuickBooks processes the payment and records the transaction for you all at once. Your first payment you take will show up in your bank within 5 days. After that, you should see payments deposit much faster. Let's go over how to sign up for payments and how you can get your funds faster. To start, go to Settings, select Account and Settings, and then the Payments tab. You might see other places around QuickBooks where you can sign up for payments as well, but you can always find it here. Select Learn More, and then Set Up Payments to sign up. Enter info about your business here. And about the owner here. Note, only the primary admin of your QuickBooks account can apply for payments. Next, decide where you want your payment deposits to go. To do so, select Add and enter the required info to connect to your bank. When you're done, select Review and Finish, and then Get Set Up. You'll get an email from QuickBooks letting you know when you're approved. It usually happens within a couple of days. Once you've been approved, go back to the Payments tab. This is where you can manage some of your payments settings at any time and change any info if you have to. If you want to add a new bank account, you can do it from here. Or you can change the account information in your chart of accounts to let QuickBooks know where to automatically record standard deposits or processing fees. To get paid faster, you can also set up bank payments. Finally, when you find something you have questions about, help is just a click away. Select the Help icon to chat with our online assistant, see topics related to the page you're on, search for more info, or contact support. That's it. Now you're ready to set up QuickBooks Payments and start managing your payments all in one place.